Now we have this ASUS here, and I'm looking to hopefully recover the webcam from it for other purposes. This is a ZenBook. It's from a popular model with issues with the cable breaking. I've got videos on replacing this guy, a few of them. So I'm going to try and peel the screen off. I haven't got a hot plate at the moment ready, so I'm going to try and do it using the method I use for the surfaces, and see if we can do some magic. So we don't care if the glass breaks, so that's not our concern. But if it will make our job easy, if we don't crack it, then so much the better. Okay. So we can go high degrees, so we don't care. This is going to be a destructive method. Okay, so we can see this camera uses a different connection. Cool. UX490UA. So this is how the cable actually goes. You actually can replace the LCD alone, and not a problem. Why bother when it's already quite cheap, the whole unit? Like, you don't really need to go through this process. See these rubber pads, they're wonderful, they can be used for other jobs. Looks like it's just clips. I see, so they basically glued this. Okay, so that just with glue, double-side tapes all around, and your beautiful cable, your screen will actually pop out without damaging the bezel or screen, all in one piece. Wonderful. Now I don't have any use for any of these components. These cables, I have no idea what I'll use for, but I'll keep it. I was only interested in this guy, and he's not what I'm after, because he's got a different type of connection. And these neodymium magnets. Usually high heat will take them off. And the other side too. And because I do some odd repairs every now and then, I need some components which I can't find. I'll find them in these areas. Great. So this has some useful stuff. All of this will go into recycling. Well, initially I was just looking for a webcam, but I got a little more than I bargained for. Not that I'll pay money to these kind of things, but just one way to utilize these things. So looks like maybe a fuse, caps, this connector could be useful. Parade, that's the display repeater. GT, no idea. AUO, that's important. Coils and Novatec, no idea. Inductor, AUO, and this little connector here, which can be used in the future. And diode. Pretty cool. For me it's cool anyway. So these things will simply go into the recording boxes, rubber pads, and let me see, DVD optical wires connector, PC jacks. Those rubber pads will go there. They're like LCD boards, and that's fine. And then we got ribbon cables. Let me see. Yeah, these are odd cables for screens, and sometimes cameras too. Okay, I think that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.